Hey everyone, this is Saurabh from simplyautomated.com, and in this video I'll be telling you how you can connect Canva to N8N. So the very first thing which you have to do is you need to sign into your N8N account, and then you need to click on create workflow. So with Canva, the thing is there is no native integration which is available. If you can search, there won't be any Canva app by default available. So what you have to do is you need to select for HTTP request. And here, what you have to do, you need to select the authentication as generic credential type. And then under the generic auth type, you need to select OAuth2 API. And then under OAuth2 API, you need to click on create new credential. And you need to keep this window open as we have to enter quite a few details over here. And next, what you have to do, you need to go into website called Canva.dev. And once you're into Canva.dev, you need to click on your integrations on the top. And here you need to click on create an integration. And you need to select public. And you need to click on I agree, and then click on create integration. And then you need to give a name. So we'll give a name, N8N YouTube demo. And then we need to click on scopes on the left side. And then we need to select all these checkboxes which are available for us to select. Okay. So these are all the permissions which we are selecting. And then what we have to do, we need to go into authentication on the left. And here where it says URL1, which is the authorized redirect, we need to go back into N8N. We need to copy this URL, which is our OAuth redirect URL. We click on copy, we come back here, and then we paste it. And then we need to go back into configuration. And we'll see our client ID. We just copy it. We go back into N8N. And here we need to select the grant type as PKCE. And we enter our client ID here. And then we go back. We click on generate secret. And we got our client secret. We copy it. And then we paste it over here. And then there are different URLs and access token URL which you have to enter. So these details I have already mentioned it in my Google document, which I'll share with you in the description of this video. So the authorization URL will be this URL, which is the Canva authorization URL. We just paste it here. The access token URL, which is the Canva API token URL. And then we have the scopes. I have the scopes mentioned over here. Then we have the auth URI query parameters. So that one is going to be response type equal code. Just paste it here. Then under authentication, we select body, and then we click on connect my account. Before that, we'll just rename it to Canva. Okay, we click on connect my account, and then it's going to ask for these permissions. So make sure that you have signed into your correct Canva account, and then you need to click on allow, and the connection is successful. Okay, it says the account is now connected. We just exit out, and then we have this OAuth2 API Canva account which is connected. And then we can just use the different endpoints for the API for the Canva. There are different APIs which are available for Canva, which we can use. That I can cover in a separate video. So I hope you got some value out of this video and you know now how to connect Canva to N8N. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you again in my next video.